important news. It seems like in a couple of weeks' time I'm going to the Nurburgring. So, to clean up the paint for that trip, I'm going to do a camo effect wrap. I think there's something wrong with that memory card. It kept on messing up on me. Either way, we're done. Turned it all off, but give me 10 seconds. Basically, I borrowed this from work. Functions, have a look. Spirit level. Put that on there. We're at 2 degrees. So, mounts up perfectly. It's on the highest setting it can go. So I'm pretty sure that'll be enough for minimal downforce. Just need to clean up this whole area now. Sort these out. Get it looking good. Sort this bit out. And then do the rest of this to it. Upon inspection of the rust, it seems it might be worse than I thought. So inside here, this is all solid rust, so I'm going to have to cut out this whole section and see what it looks like. Got a patch here, which I'm going to go and cut out. That's just a mark. A little bit here. Yeah, got a lot to do today. So I've been cutting more rust away. It's quite funny. That's the first one. I've cut it away, I've treated it. I'll try and chip a little bit more rust out of that, and then I can start working on it. This one was a little hole here, and it's just solid rust. So I'll open it up. It's got a little door. Da-da. Look at that. That is bad. So I cut all that out, treat it, fiberglass over it. Should re-weld, but I don't have a welder. First coat of cure rust on these bits. I know that stuff isn't permanent, but it slows it down in my eyes, and it's better having it than nothing else. Yeah, while that's going off, I'm gonna carry on working on the spoiler. Stage 3, fiberglass. Filled them all up. Let's say it was a cheap job. I haven't got a welder, so that's why I haven't welded it. Probably need redoing again in the future, but now I'll let this dry. Put some filler on, make it look good. Here we do, needs touching up, but it's at a stage now that I can start wrapping the whole car. Get it all done.